In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark expenses billable and invoice them to customer in QuickBooks Online. This is ideal when you cover costs on behalf of a customer and want to recover those amounts clearly and accurately on an invoice. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in to the main dashboard. Then head to the gear icon in the upper right to open the Settings menu. From there, choose Account and Settings. This brings up the company settings window where you control how your forms and transactions behave. Select the Expenses tab on the left. In this area, click Edit in the Bills and Expenses section, then turn on Make Expenses and Items Billable. With this enabled, your expense, bill, check, and vendor credit forms will display a billable checkbox and a customer project field so you can tag who should be charged. While you're here, consider setting helpful defaults like a standard markup rate for billable costs or how you want to track billable expense income according to your accounting preference. If you charge sales tax on reimbursements, verify that your tax settings match your local rules. When you're done, save your changes and close the settings window. Now you're ready to bring those costs onto an actual invoice. Go to the Create or New icon at the top and choose Invoice. Select the customer you want to bill. As soon as you pick the customer, QuickBooks searches for any open, unbilled transactions that were previously marked as billable to that customer. A drawer or sidebar will appear showing the available billable charges. Review the list, confirm dates and descriptions, and click Add to put the selected charges onto the invoice. You can add them one by one or all at once. If you use markup, make sure the rate and amounts look correct. Adjust quantities, rates, or tax as needed so the invoice reflects exactly what should be reimbursed. If you store receipts in QuickBooks, attach them to the invoice to give your customer clear backup. And that's the process. You've enabled billable expenses and pulled them directly onto an invoice. Going forward, as long as you record expenses to the correct customer and check the billable box, they'll be ready and waiting the next time you create an invoice. This workflow helps you recover costs promptly, keeps everything transparent for your customers, and ensures your books stay clean and organized.